A pear is a sweet and juicy fruit that typically has a rounded shape with a narrow, tapering top. Pears are enjoyed fresh, often eaten raw or used in cooking and baking. They come in various varieties, each with its own flavor and texture characteristics. Pears have several uses. 1. Eating fresh. Pears are commonly eaten fresh as a healthy snack or added to salads. 2. Cooking and baking. Pears can be used in various cooked dishes and desserts such as pies, tarts, cakes, and compotes. 3. Preserving. Pears can be preserved by canning or making jams and preserves. 4. Pairing with cheese. Pears are often paired with cheeses like blue cheese or brie for a delicious flavor combination. 5. Juicing. Pears can be juiced to make refreshing beverages. 6. Health benefits. Pears are nutritious, containing fiber, vitamins such as vitamin C and K, and minerals such as potassium. Overall, pears are versatile and offer a range of culinary possibilities and nutritional benefits. Pears contain various vitamins, primarily including 1. Vitamin C. Pears are a good source of vitamin C, which is important for immune function, skin health, and as an antioxidant. 2. Vitamin K. Pears also provide vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, pears contain small amounts of other vitamins such as folate, vitamin B9, niacin, vitamin B3, and pyridoxine, vitamin B6, though in lesser quantities compared to vitamin C and K. These vitamins contribute to overall health and well-being. Pear season typically varies depending on the variety and location, but generally, pears are harvested and available during late summer through fall. In the Northern Hemisphere, this period spans from August through October or November. However, specific harvest times can vary by region and by the type of pear being cultivated. It's best to check with local farmers markets or grocery stores to find pears at their peak freshness during this season. Pears are widely cultivated in temperate regions around the world. Some of the major pear-producing countries include 1. China, the largest producer of pears globally, with a wide variety of cultivars grown. 2. United States, particularly in states like Washington, Oregon, and California, which have favorable climates for pear cultivation. 3. Argentina, a significant producer in South America, known for varieties like Williams, Bartlett, pears. 4. Italy, known for its high-quality pear varieties such as Abate Fettel. 5. Turkey, another major producer in the Mediterranean region, growing varieties like Packham's Triumph and Williams. 6. South Africa, produces pears for both domestic consumption and export markets. Pears thrive in regions with moderate temperatures and well-drained soils, making them a popular fruit in many parts of the world.